for a branch and I say okay papa bi eden send bi abeto social media na send yan crofo comment was no enye easy na asem no mebo mumu na muehu de bia ya meka wohu obi na wonam ho a wonim de koso won crofo abrabo man say me beto aso subscribe na click the notification bell and no any that screen so see we ya say latest news bia ba won sa ebeka papa say wa worry for 14 years na but say answer na wo be hia na yere 14 years ago no 5 years ago answer na wo be hia na yere 14 years ago nti ye beka say 19 years ago no wo say wone ne navofo no mo te kan mu na wo munya aka akwanhia na ka akwanhia no etiefo na enye easy bo prayer pan a wokoda hospital for several years na wokoda hospital no na kire say nyame adom obenya yaresa ba doctor for emaneti ase se de wonya woka akwanhia ne mu nti no wontumi enwo de biara da ewo wiase mu na kire se wo ye de nka wontumi enwo ba ewo wiase mu na eba asa no ne ya but obeye ne den but that time no na won worry nti no still ne ya because wonya nwo ye wonya nye hwe na mo se muntumi enwo ba pan dia mintumi enwo ba biom dia ebe ne ya obviously na 5 years after that incident ni see no we benya yere eware ye na one boss one throw bia wo bia enim say condition we na wo kom na de see ya ne say woden ne ho ebe ma Kristo because na wo pese nyankopon den ehili no nti wo be dedicating the time ebe ma Kristo a wo bi hu no kra ye beka say oyeden wo ye sofo because enya na wo preachi afi wo preachi e kan sempa no about Kristo ne nyama ne ano ngofo be gidi say wo ye sofo na etiefo wo be ware ye no wambo ne yere amane say na atomi o me yere say na atomi na wo mo wa ware ni mu a o mehwa ne say ne yere afefuro abrante we nim say be want to me wo wonim ba mo wa ware no be hu ne say chale after some years na bo mo ntumi wo after some years o be hu ne say ne yere afefuro na fe papa say e bia na ekoso yi but ono de eya ne say wode ne ho ama Kristo a wo susu say Kristo betumi a helene nti no na adwen baby ka tene say o ebia nyankopon ayeden a hele no nti ne ye ofrefo no na wo sanso call hospital na wo ko check say mesre mo ana mo ka asem ntumi nwo biom mo sanso nya hwehwemu hwe say still e wo ho ana o mo nya hwehwemu na mo tene say condition is still wo ho we there eya de a entumi enko in your life entumi enwu biom na papa say itimi ye efra mi ye afei just efri inti what twen ye ema ne yere ewo ye na ne yere wo ye no na tre say wakoye DNA test wan kan tre ne yere wo wia ne ho ekoye DNA test na wakoye DNA test no etiefo na wo hu say akola no enya ne dia ba no person obebo so achi obia na what's ho sa na wajeje akola no say yo no nkasa ne ba wati ase what's ho sa na tre say wo be ha ne say ne ya san so afefuro second time biom o say asebeli mi na wo say wo hu say ne yere nso wo actia ase tre say yere pa o say the yearling so asori ngofo hu no say we asafo maame wo preachi e kan sempa tre nkrofo te say ne yere kra etu nkrofo fo se momo fo mo omukunu echi da momo fo mo kunu echi da na fo wo kunu echi a nyankopon bu fuhye obeba so te say ne yere ka sansem ne nya wa asori o nti yesi ne yere ne de wo bia wo hu ne bia sem a wo kan and say hey papa we de we nya yere pa papa we de we nya yere pa ene na de bia meka se wuti echi na wo hwe wo bi abra abomu a wo bi awawe mu a ebia na obeka se wo de we nya kunupa ana we nya yerepa but wo nim de koso e wo sankrofo na abra abomu wo mo na wo mo mfa mba abonten embeka nche wo ye ba wo de ukunu ye bibi kakra bia na wo de akwa abonten wo yiri ye bibi kakra bia na wo de akwa abonten wo bi ati asemu but wo bi amfa mba abonten tu hu ne sa na ya na eyo se ebi mo de wo mo nya na fefefe wo mo nya na fofofo you just don't know what people are going through. Iti papa say second born ne buy no o say asem we die eno nso wo wia ne ho ekoye DNA test etiefo wakoye lo and behold akola no enye ne dia ose nti me yiri person tre say wa fa mechi twice ama wo de awo mba mienu ema mba mienu ni wo de hye me kon say ye memba asemeni nti omo wo few years later afi ne yiri asanso afafro third one biom papa say aha ade dondo afuti gari dondo afuno ti gari ade afi de wo say asem na ye ni hia ma because second born nso okoye DNA test o wi ane ho koye DNA test no etre say enye ne ba afi ni yiri ho ye ni hia ma wo hu de onye enkola nso ewo se wono na wo hwe omo wotua wo mo fees ni bibia but enkola no afi we benya wo tan bia ma enkola no mewa enkola no wo mo nya hwe yo but de ne yiri aye ni nti ne yiri ne ho aye ni hi enkola no so ho aye ni hi atese wo hu de wonye asem no foforo no won se nipa nso de se be asem foforo wa do bebi na wentumi ebie wa no a ebetumi ekun o ase asem na foforo na afa ibo pese wo bie na no na wakacha na yere se ensem se na me de esie o nti trese nkola ne nia no makoye DNA test wechi etrese enya memba na trese wo fa mechi saa wo fa mechi wo de wo first wo de nyin se first one me fi se wo be jai wo sanso ko fa mechi first one me de chew because na me say be a mistake wo sanso ko fa mechi dia wo second wo sanso ko fa mechi dia wo third aden nti ya wari bebrebe se de bia wo de wo be fa mechi de bia wo be fa mechi nti men kan tre wo se min to min wo ni nti no wo pese wo de nkola ne hye me meanwhile yese wo ba bia na enim se akolai eye weiba meanwhile wo nim se akola na wonye wo ba etiefo eno ene nsema eda ho eno ne nsema papa no ebeka ewa bonti to sisi ade wo hu de wonye se won confront ne yere no na won biebie mu ntre no because onim se asem we die ebetumi ama awareja ye kraba ebema asori ma ne kra no wo munim be gu asese inti se na mo preachi eche ye keka nsem we ni atre ye no se na mo kra no mo ho nti sa se na mo kra nyama mo fem sa nyama mo fem na no inti papa ne de na adwene e bone ntanta asem we de beto social media wo hwe se nyankofo we actor wo hu ne se nkofo ti asem ho ewiase we nkofo ti asem ho na yese obi embie na no anka na asem anchewa wo de na eye o se ana eye o se wo wasem e na eso wo tie obi asem a na wo se he enye easy na nkofo atre wo mo adwen e wo so me pese me read adwenche ni bi etre mo na yehwe se sebe nkofo bi ebema no good advisor wo be say you don't blame her, why didn't you tell her the truth, carry your own cross massa eno ni asema wo bi kan se adan e na wanka ne kre no antre no de bia ye kan nkofo bebre wo ho a ansa no bo mo bekọ aware mu no eya wo how bebre wo ho but wo mo nkan because wo mo nim say o how we a eda mesuyi me ko ka kre wo ba sesi a oba we a se nya me do oba no wo ba no wo be say onye den won ware me biom ati ase etiefo enye easy o obi say why do you have to marry when you know you can't produce children? This is sheer wickedness. Accept the situation as it is and live with it. Inti eno so ni asema wo bi kan na nipa kwa wo ka say wo yo ba wo say inti wo nim say wontumi wo nanso wama wo ba na believe say wo betumi awo e na woni no eko chese akọ fefru eja oni na akọ ware sorry inti we dey wa na waye inti accept na wo so tinim sa na my take on this no me fa blame no ento wo ba na peso wo be man nso ono so blame no me de beto ne so because tie wo ba no sisebe listen no wo den kan tre no se untumi nwo na sei ni ena ekoso a nanka wo tre wo se enye hwe still wo be pene se wo be ware wa that one you know say wo ba idea ware a wo ware me eye se wo do me intia na wo ware me eno no wo ba ni nim se wuntumi nwo inti se be wo nim se wo kofa ne ewechi na wo kofa efuro ba pe wa che no se wa fa wechi. It could be say woni wo ba ni ehyiemu a like mo aware for some years wo ya monwo and I said once a nipa there ebe to me aba say obi kan atu ne fo say chale oni we nkoda and I walk of faith for the besham because yen ya yen say in marriage there is this societal pressure woba ware na after some years 3 years one wo ya obonsa afa family na ebo oba nechi ye fan to oba ma no so woba nechi ni ye bo nechi ene ye na wo ye na wo mayen yo ye na wo mayen ye pe ba na ye pe nana ye na wo ye pe ba wo family wo ya na de so bo na ebo woba nechi nti me feel say ebia na woba na she was going to do something like this and I said we will be go too ni for efutu bone e ma de ko fa ni kunu echi inti when the blame ni ato woba ne peso a no men peneso both of them have to be blamed. You unim 5 years before wobe ware meanwhile one country woba no inti in a way no wo kra wo ka ho na woba no wo kodi se adwuma we will be say you should even be grateful to her for not putting you into shame all these years. Masa pamper her and the kids. And only asema will be can. Say masa, esa ota woba na se. Say masa, nanka by this time won wu ya nanka nkrofo beka say papa we on wu yo. Inti da woba ne kra se. Na woba no masa esa o pamper no. Nkola ne nso enye sa o ma wo mu hu ye wehi. Ayo fa ne se won ba because una wo hwe o mo so. Papa ene de wo hwe nkola so ene de wa wo nkola ati ase was see you detected the children were not yours after DNA. As a pastor you believe in miracles and you have found one, so what's your problem? Hey go focus so I say must children always resemble their parents in all forms and character? You lied to your wife, so the miracle did not happen in your name. Just confess and the DNA will match yours. Hey, you go for say now also for uji miracle di iti ade na we obeso obeji edi se nyankopon na miracle amount ade na obeso oga se wo ba no na kofa wechi very interesting. But we say please work and marriage, which of them should be your first priority? Obi say please, the kids are innocent, why don't vent your anger on them for God's sake. Yes, and only asema make because we were your suffer inti wo hwe asema wo suffer kra wo komu etiefo wasofo asema wo komu a ebema we hu se chale se nyankrofo hu sofo se asofo de wo mo ya kronkron wasofo de enseme ntu wo mo no nasa wo mo kra no de ekoso e wo he yese asofo nia ena nke beba abonten abetre se chale ane ye mo kwan se sebe wo mo yere no ana wo mo ware foforo ana mo ware bi enka wo mo ho ana ka obehu ga na ha se asofo a ebekwa akofa second and third wives. Nanso wo mo the Bible no tete ho aka say enye nanso hwe ye catcher de ensofo ye ewosumase a obebie wenum wo be so say that serves you right. Why didn't you tell her about your situation? I say why didn't you tell her about your situation first before getting married to her? You now want to blame the poor woman. If not because of what she did, by now your family wouldn't have been calling her name. Your family would have been calling her names. And up till now, you have not told her, and you are not thinking of telling her. You are the unfaithful man. And only asema will be eka. So ye can wo bema said the way unfaithful pan, and ye wo bema we. And ye wo bano. After ye wo the blame no kodane so. Now so wo na wo nim wo situation one bona mania da. Nti afi o ha me saying. Tina musa. Obi say that's fair. Why did you marry her when you knew you cannot have children? Why didn't you tell her for her to make the choice of marrying you or not? Did she tell you she doesn't want children? And only asema will be a bisa. Say masa, and the auto no way obi beka say karma. If you believe in karma, there will be beka say way there a karma. Because wonim the air koso e wa brabom nanso wan bo wa na mane. Na ende de anko yama oninti no. Wote ha wo besu. Masa jai dia wo tre no eno ni asema wo bi eka obi say you should have told her that you can't have babies. The lawyers say marriage procured on fraud is no marriage. This marriage is null and void. It just will be edembra sem ebim say na ke wo say wo ka kire no because e wo mbremu say wo ware na wo densem esie wo yere ana wo kunu na later mo be ware na wo be hu sansem no say na wonim before aware na aware need to me cancel no because a married under fraud and only asema will be eka obi say even the man did not tell the woman about his situation, still the woman is at fault for practicing adultery and only asema will be eka. I say if you're a man and you can hide such a situation from your wife, then you are also a wicked person. Into share comment eba nkrofo ebo eye papa we echi say na wo there and rightfully so because asem there enye wo ba na fault o so wo share ewom na me wiasemu ade a mempe ade a mechi ene say enam obi so ama asem aba na asem ba we ye no nipa ko ne de wo pese wo yi ne ho afiri asem ni mu eno na mempe e wo wiasemu me wiasemu a me ba wo bia wo ni me bia be ka treo asem ba. If you have a part to play in it, accept your responsibility and your part. Say, oh, wait dear. Me so make a home and my way esi. Now what they will you will win film? And the linear shabano. Say wabana na I say ya. You are not being fair to yourself and the lady. In the same way, dear, what Bema no one so work home. You knew this 5 years before your marriage. 19 years ago, and a wunya accident, and I deal with at all. 5 years later, and I'll be worried. What prevented you from telling your wife? Adiinti, one hour can I say Adiinti, a train will be in Christo, Emma will be soon Christo ye. Will be I will say what dog Christo will be in Christo. Wouldn't say walk or worry, as be say, will be catch away here in one country. No. Not just say Christo now will say what don't know, a donor a free, and a Christo now say what so no, as some may free. Obviously, you are also wicked. Why didn't you tell her you are impotent? And only Asema will be Eka. Or say, yes, the man didn't do well by keeping such a thing from the woman. The woman, after realizing after 6 years that nothing was coming out, did she request from the man some answers or even going to the hospital together? And only Asema will be Eka. Papa ne one obane ware no after 6 years na wo mu ni ba. Inti ya no na American say me assure say maame no after 6 years a wo ni ba no won nankasa fa ne ho adwen tre say da bi we die eningwase e ba. People are pointing accusing fingers at me. Me free chi na me nko wo nhyem e no no so free chi ko wo sem e bia na danfo bi ka na tu ni fo saa say masa san de say oye no na eya enkrofo fi say awarie title ne beto so pe na say everything changes. Our real title nya beto so no oh say say na who cheat before our na automatically the cheating will be cleared. And no mistake in Bible ya wo mo ekọ ware embema bia wo mo nhwe ya say embema no e cheat wo mo so chronically e wa ware nim. Obo so wo ba no wo ne bema no wo ho a wo nim say bema ne suban ni ade we e no ye. But obani tim say oh yenya ware ya wo bejai oboa mo ware afian so be no mo inti say nkofu hu aware say oh say I can hide behind marriage we there this is ade we atomy oh me ko ra aware mu pe I can hide behind masa enya sa enetie asem we asem bia esi mo ntre mo adwen e wo comment box no mo tie for me da ase.